Madison Investment Fund, what we do is we manage a portion of the university's endowment, currently valued at about $500,000. So we're doing real stock pitches, really getting a great hands-on experience that kind of takes things that you may be learning in the classroom and puts them in sort of a real-world setting. What I'm really passionate about with the org is the career development side. We have a great alumni network. We have people design trainings for us to give to new and current members. So it really is a fantastic professional development opportunity. The exciting part of the process, it's completely student run. Of course, our faculty and our alumni, they are totally here to advise us, but they put all that responsibility kind of in our hands. There's nothing like a win, I'll say that. When we're in the fund the night going into a pitch, the way it works is the whole organization votes if it's a yay or a nay. So you really got to win people over. It's hard up there sometimes. People are asking questions, really trying to grill you, which I think speaks to how serious the students in the org take that responsibility. They want to make sure they're doing the best by the school, and also by asking each other these questions, we're all learning together. So it's a really fulfilling process. What is really exciting to me is understanding why those numbers in the feed come out the way they do. When we're looking at companies in healthcare or tech or whatever, you kind of get to see what's going on in those worlds. Why is a company down on the day? Why is it down on the week? And try to answer that question, because sometimes there's no clear answer. You really got to try to connect the dots, and I've gotten a great opportunity to kind of learn that skill here, especially through my time in the fund. I think that JMU does a great job of putting students forward to talk about their experience. When I came in, I was meeting with guys who were in the fund, and they were talking about it, kind of giving that similar message. However, actually getting in here and getting that hands-on experience, it's been 10 times what I even thought was going to be great, 10 times that.